Canberra, Australia's capital, is a planned city renowned for its modern architecture and natural beauty. It serves as the political and administrative center of the country, housing significant landmarks such as Parliament House and the Australian War Memorial. Surrounded by bushland and mountains, Canberra offers ample opportunities for outdoor activities and exploration. With its vibrant cultural scene, including museums, galleries, and festivals, Canberra provides a diverse and dynamic urban experience amidst the backdrop of stunning landscapes. Enjoying this content? Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos! Number 1. The Australian War Memorial in Canberra stands as a solemn tribute to the nation's military history and sacrifice. This iconic monument commemorates the courage and valor of Australian servicemen and women who have served in conflicts around the world. Its expansive galleries house a vast collection of artifacts, memorabilia, and exhibits that provide insight into Australia's wartime experiences. Visitors can pay their respects at the Roll of Honour and Eternal Flame, reflecting on the profound impact of war on the nation. The Australian War Memorial serves as a place of remembrance, education, and reflection for all who visit. Two, Lake Burley Griffin is a man-made lake situated in the heart of Canberra, Australia's capital city. Named after Walter Burley Griffin, the architect who designed Canberra, the lake is a prominent feature of the city's landscape. Spanning over 11 kilometers in length, it offers a picturesque setting for recreational activities such as boating, kayaking, and cycling along its scenic shores. Surrounding the lake are various parks, walking trails, and cultural institutions, including the National Gallery of Australia and the National Library. With its serene waters and stunning views of the city skyline, Lake Burley Griffin is a beloved destination for locals and visitors alike. Three, the National Carrilon in Canberra is a striking musical landmark located on Aspen Island in Lake Burley Griffin. Gifted to Australia by the British government in 1970 to mark the 50th anniversary of the capital, it comprises 55 bronze bells that chime melodies and tunes throughout the day. Designed to be played manually or automatically, the Carrilon hosts regular recitals and performances by skilled Carrilonists. Its iconic design and melodic resonance make it a cherished symbol of Canberra and a popular destination for locals and tourists seeking to experience the beauty of its harmonious melodies echoing across the lake. Four, the Commonwealth Avenue Bridge is an iconic structure spanning Lake Burley Griffin in Canberra, Australia's capital city. Completed in 1963, it serves as a vital transportation link connecting the northern and southern parts of the city. Designed in a distinctive Art Deco style, the bridge features elegant arches and ornate detailing. Its picturesque location offers stunning views of the lake and surrounding landmarks, including Parliament House and the National Carrilon. Lined with pedestrian walkways and cycle paths, the bridge provides a scenic route for leisurely strolls and recreational activities. As a symbol of Canberra's architectural heritage, it remains an integral part of the city's landscape. Five, Floriade is an annual floral festival held in Canberra, Australia's capital, attracting visitors from around the country and beyond. Established in 1988, it celebrates the arrival of spring with vibrant displays of tulips, daffodils, and other blossoms spread across Commonwealth Park. The event features stunning floral arrangements, themed gardens, live entertainment, and interactive activities for all ages. Visitors can explore the colorful landscapes, attend gardening workshops, and indulge in culinary delights from food stalls showcasing local produce. Floriade showcases the beauty of nature and fosters a sense of community spirit, making it a cherished tradition and highlight of Canberra's calendar. 6. Canberra hosts several farmers markets throughout the week, offering residents and visitors access to fresh, locally sourced produce and artisanal goods. From the capital region, Farmers Market held every Saturday to the Southside Farmers Market and the Epic Farmers Market, there are ample opportunities to discover seasonal fruits, vegetables, meats, cheeses, baked goods, and more. These markets provide a platform for local farmers, growers, and producers to showcase their products directly to consumers, promoting sustainable agriculture and fostering connections within the community. Visitors can enjoy a vibrant atmosphere, sample gourmet treats, and support small-scale businesses while experiencing the diverse flavors of Canberra's culinary scene. Seven. The new Parliament House in Canberra is an architectural marvel and the seat of Australia's federal government. Opened in 1988, it replaced the old Parliament House and symbolizes the nation's democratic ideals and cultural identity. Designed to blend with the landscape, the building's unique shape and sweeping curves reflect the Australian landscape. Its expansive halls and chambers house the chambers of the House of Representatives and the Senate, as well as offices and committee rooms. With its iconic flag mast towering above the city, the new Parliament House stands as a testament to Australia's political history and democratic values. Eight. The Mount Ainslie Lookout in Canberra offers panoramic views of the cityscape and surrounding natural beauty. Situated on Mount Ainslie, part of the Canberra Nature Park, the lookout provides visitors with stunning vistas of Canberra's iconic landmarks, including Parliament House, Lake Burley Griffin, and the Australian War Memorial. Accessible by car or hiking trails, it's a popular spot for tourists and locals alike to admire the city's layout and appreciate its architectural and environmental diversity. Whether during the day or at sunset, the Mount Ainslie Lookout offers an unforgettable perspective of Canberra's unique blend of urban and natural landscapes. 9. Telstra Tower, also known as the Telstra Telecommunications Tower or Black Mountain Tower, is an iconic landmark in Canberra. Standing atop Black Mountain, it offers breathtaking panoramic views of the city and its surroundings. Opened in 1980, the tower rises 195 meters above the summit, making it one of Canberra's tallest structures. Visitors can ascend to the observation deck via a high-speed elevator and enjoy sweeping vistas of Canberra, Lake Burley Griffin, and the distant mountain ranges. The tower also houses a revolving restaurant, providing diners with a unique dining experience while taking in the picturesque scenery of Australia's capital city. Ten. National Zoo and Aquarium, located near Canberra, Australia's capital city, is a premier destination for wildlife enthusiasts. Spanning a vast area, it houses a diverse collection of animals from around the world, including lions, monkeys, snakes, and marine creatures like dolphins and penguins. Visitors can enjoy up-close encounters with the animals, participate in behind-the-scenes tours, and even embark on special safari experiences. With a focus on conservation and education, the zoo aims to raise awareness about wildlife conservation and the importance of protecting endangered species. It offers a memorable and immersive experience for visitors of all ages, inspiring a love for nature and wildlife.